With proven gas reserves of 503.3 trillion cubic feet across Africa, gas has the potential to provide 400 gigawatts of power. Natural gas, with the recent rise of LNG technology, is increasingly the leading answer to Africa's power problem. Countries that have already discovered gas, from relative newcomers like Ghana and Tanzania, to mature oil and gas producers like Nigeria and Angola, are working to turn exploration success into a tangible benefit for their citizens in the form of electricity. Tanzania, for example, just launched a 240 megawatt gas-to-power plant, fueled by its own reserves. Ghana has an ambitious plan to use its domestic natural gas supply to power 1,300 megawatts of power at Ghana 1000, and Nigeria's 450 megawatt Azura Edo IPP was completed in May 2018. Even countries without gas reserves are planning gas-to-power projects and are building the infrastructure to import gas from their neighbours. South Africa, Ghana, Kenya, Togo and Burkina Faso are planning or building LNG import facilities. Egypt already has them. Finding the funds to finance these projects is challenging, however, as development institutions, governments and private investors must work together to get them on stream. Power Africa is an example of such a collaboration. The project aims to complete 16,000 megawatts of gas-to-power projects in 9 countries by 2030, with projected capital costs of $175 billion. Despite the high cost, Power Africa predicts gas could become the dominant fuel for generating power in Africa. The benefits of gas are many and diverse. Gas is more environmentally friendly than fuel oil or diesel. It complements renewables. It is cheaper than oil and nuclear. And gas-fired plants take less time to complete than hydro, coal-fired or nuclear plants. Development times average 2 to 3 years, compared to up to 7 years for other projects. Africa's infrastructure deficit has been a main obstacle to monetizing gas, but that is quickly changing as well, with LNG and FLNG projects quickly gathering steam. South Africa, as part of the Department of Energy's procurement for LNG to power plan, could be importing in excess of 3 million tonnes a year of LNG by 2018. And there are many more gas transport options, from pipelines to CNG to gas to liquids, depending on the distance to market. Still, other issues besides cost and infrastructure remain, such as establishing pricing mechanisms that both encourage upstream development and a price that ensures gas-to-power projects are bankable. Unlocking Africa's gas reserves for power generation could transform the continent, but an integrated approach to creating the right investment climate will be critical.